Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Sekhukhune United 0, AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by fan, my brother Libitso Kemang.
Ramos DC from Seshego, Kazia Mampela.
Yeah.
Ramos DC is the #1 commentator around Limpopo.
Oh.
Now get join hashtag Hutata Ligazi.
Okay.
Yeah, the commentator Jagamoso. I'm one of the
commentators.
Yeah. Hashtag Hutata Ligazi.
Okay.
Yeah. By Pinega Fela Mopolo Quad, Bakulam AmaZulu take level ya go top 8.
Yeah.
Sekhukhune United is a run-up of 2023.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
Cesaro Fedile Gayona. Halala, AmaZulu. I wish you all the best.
Yeah.
Veli Mutwa, man of the match.
Performance for you.
Performance for it was 100% because one minute go squat. Why deserve at that end?
True, my brother.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm a fan away too. Chaser.
Whoa! My brother, but where did it go wrong for Sekhukhune? Where is the commentator? Because you know
according
football.
to Sekhukhune United Kanore CAF Confederation Cup,
Yeah.
Because they play in and out week by week, day by day. Yeah, but enough time ya ku joy bon.
True, my brother.
So kiona lore yawo. But that ile man o ka level performance ya bona.
Yeah.
Aye, ne sale.
Top notch.
Yeah.
So when I no favor ngvele today.
Nugget Sekhukhune.
Oh, Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
So you are disappointed, eh?
I'm very disappointed.
Very much disappointed.
Yeah, because I didn't run up. No century about top 8 or last 4.
Hey, my brother.
Yeah.
Do you have a Nedbank account?
Yeah, I have a Nedbank account.
Did you register on nedbankcup.co.za?
No.
To stand a share to win a share of 5 million rands.
Like really?
Hey, yeah.
I'm a fan away too.
How?
Let's go and register Nedbank.
Please.
Yeah.
And buy a time of 20 rand or more after you register.
And Kenya ka fela Nedbank branch ka fela le na di manager ya Nedbank le supporting I'm a fan away too.
Please.
Le no sponsor la bona re ke bushio tlile mo ke marabana le rona.
Exactly.
Yeah, Sunday, Tuesday bana le rona. Le no ke Thursday bana le rona. I'm a fan away.
Le game ka dlala ka 3 AM.
Yeah, bana le rona.
Re na le ro.
Na go tseka mo re na le bona.
My brother o na le yona iPhone.
Ke na le yo.
iPhone.
Yeah.
Samsung ya 30,000.
Ayo ke tlwetse le ngwana ko ayo ya le yona.
O ka wina engwe.
Serious?
Ka mahala ya.
Nedbank. I'm a fan way to Nedbank.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
same WhatsApp
Like
group.
this.
Like seriously?
Yeah, my brother.
I'm a fan way to
You
Nedbank.
just need to swipe account I3 fail and then you stand a chance to win 30,000 rands. If you go branching ibilanya polo, my brother, you can even win 500,000 rands. Just go put a
so like
stock account.
But I'm a fan way to Nedbank. Baso. Bana, dilo di rona. I'm a fan way to let's keep on supporting. I'm a fan way to like go Facebook ke le na ma thola kae.
I'm a FANS Wethu TV.
I'm a fan way to
TikTok.
TV.
I'm a
Ramos
FANS Wethu
DC.
TV.
Ba re fa content majita re ba follow la bona guys are ba follow
Hutata Ligazi, Ramos DC, #1 commentator ka province ya Limpopo. Wherever you go, you find Ramos DC, the #1 commentator in Limpopo. Like Gift Mutuba tournament, Jackson Mowan tournament, the Close Rolela tournament, Dr. MK Manamela tournament. I'm talking about a big tournament in Limpopo. I'm Ramos DC. Next week, I'm going to commentate Makoro John Mpe Foundation tournament at Amulepo.
Yes, sir.
Makoro John Mpe is a mayor of the Polokwane municipality.
Yes, sir.
I'll be there under the Great Punene transport brand. Taberile fao. Kopane fao. Opolor hashtag Gazi TV. Batlo ba le fale. DSTV. Batlo ba le fale. I'm a fan way. Batlo ba le fale. Vino the captain man. Utlo ba le fale. Ramos the Sika ko dia ga wa tlo ba papa di cheo. Top 8 na ma thoma ka di 16 le 17 wana fao ga molepo ka re tla re bile magoto wana fao ka ga ga masepala wa Polokwane naturally progressive I'm a fan way
Ai
wana re mo
Amandana ke batla nkeletse o bua so. Ke batla nrute o bua so.